Hi, welcome to our experimental probability video. This is going to look at a prediction scenario. So I have been doing an experiment with my YouTube channel, my playlists. I've been tracking data. So I've got real live data. It was unpredictable as to how many views I would get. So this is experimental data. And I've been asked to make a prediction. Look forward. Imagine there was 500 total views. How many of them would be essential math? So currently, it's not the highest. So how many of the 500 would be essential math? In order to solve this, we're going to do 3 steps. So first, we have to find the probability. Our second step is going to be to change it to a decimal. These 3 steps are the same for every one of these prediction questions. And the third step is to multiply. So in order to find the probability of this experimental data, we're going to need to have a number on top of a fraction. So the number that we're looking for, in this case, essential math. And the number on the bottom of the fraction is always going to be our total number of numbers. In this case, our total views. So currently, it's a little bit of a side calculation. We're going to have to add together, the 19 that are chemistry channel or playlist views, the 13 that are applied math views, and the 6. So out of the total 38 views, there are 6 that are essential math views. So that's experimentally our probability where we're at. We want to change that to a decimal. So in order to do that, we do top divided by bottom. So 6 divided by 38. And that'll give us, so this is all done on our calculator. The more decimals, the better. If you round up to 0.2 right here, we're going to get some really different answers in our next step. But the more decimals you can have, the better. And then the last step is to multiply. So we're going to take that decimal form of the probability and times it by our big number, or the number that we're trying to predict on. So let's times that by 500 views. So basically we're saying 15% of 500 views will be equal to, now my calculator gives me a decimal, but of course we can't have decimal views. So I'm going to round that up to 79 views. And these are going to be the essential math views. So again, for all these prediction questions, there's always the 3 steps. First, find the probability as a fraction. Sometimes it could be as a percent if it's given in the question, but then definitely always change it to a decimal. Take that decimal and multiply it by the thing that you're looking for, that big number, the 500 views in this case.